So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time, when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And now this will come up. You want to type in bootrec /fix mbr and then click on Enter. And now you want to type in bootsect /nt60 sys and then click on Enter again. And now you want to type in bootrec /fix boot and then click on Enter again. Now you want to type in bootrec /scan os, click on Enter. Wait for this to load. And now once that loads up, next we're going to type in bootrec /rebuild BCD, click on Enter again. Now we're finished with all the bootrec commands. Now we're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on Enter. And it's now going to start running the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to type in chkdsk c:/f/r and then click on Enter. And you now want to run this final scan. Wait for this to load. Again, I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be completed. And now once that's been done, now we can close out of this. And now you want to continue to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.